effortless, efficient, elevated. The TurfBoy TB1 sets the standard for routine maintenance of artificial turf. Experience longer-lasting performance with our new eco-friendly plastic brushes for enhanced durability and sustainability. The Turf Scout TS700, with a working width of 700 millimeters, efficiently eliminates suspended particles, abrasions, and dirt from surfaces. The vibrating screen offers precise adjustments, ranging from 4 to 10 millimeters, tailored to your infill material's condition. Cleaned infill material is dosed and evenly redistributed into the turf, avoiding the migration of microplastics. Finally, the fibers are repositioned to upright. For the best results and most efficient care, the SMG maintenance route should be used as shown here. By alternating weekly with the reversed route, optimal redistribution of infill material is achieved. The SMG Omega system allows quick and tool-less changing of the brushes to decompacting tines for gently loosening the infilling material. Dirt and debris that the vibrating sieve picked up can be disposed of using the built-in stackable dirt pans. Small and hard-to-reach places, like goal areas, can be serviced quickly by using the broom and perforated shovel. The rear trunk can be easily expanded to accommodate additional equipment, like the second dirt pan, or the additional foldable transport or work surface. For example, to transport the triangular brush DB1000F. Additionally, the TB1 comes with a hitch to pull optional attachments, offering endless possibilities for artificial turf care, like the triangular brush as seen here, or the ground-driven belt spreader BS800. The foldable triangular brush is designed for the efficient brushing of synthetic turf, expanding the brushing width to 1,000 millimeters with the option to increase the working width even further by adding additional triangular brushes. The TB1, with its 16.6 horsepower petrol engine, is powerful enough to pull the larger DB1600F with ease, thereby enabling you to further increase the brushing width. Finally, the Magnet Bar ML1500 can be added to easily pick up any metal debris to deliver impeccably clean turf, ensuring both safety and a remarkable finish.